Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing Windows and choosing a hypervisor. Enable Hyper-V and turn Windows features on or use VirtualBox. Pick one to avoid conflicts. Once done, download a small Linux ISO so the VM setup is quick, and create a VM with at least 2 cores, 4 GB RAM, and 20 GB disk. You're doing this now because correct resources and a single hypervisor prevent boot and performance issues later. Make sure Secure Boot or virtualization is enabled in BIOS. You now install Linux inside the VM, attach the ISO and boot the virtual machine. Follow the installer steps: partitioning, create a swap around 1 to 2 GB if needed, make a user account, and enable the SSH server so you can manage the VM remotely. Once installed, shut down and install guest editions or VM tools to enable better graphics, clipboard sharing, and folder sync. Transitional tasks like configuring NAT versus bridged networking determine how the VM communicates with your network. You finish by updating packages and securing the VM, run package updates, configure a firewall, and create an initial snapshot or export an OVA for quick recovery. Make sure SSH keys and users are set so you don't rely on passwords. If networking, performance, or boot problems appear, check for hypervisor conflicts. Windows Hyper-V versus VirtualBox is the usual culprit. Then disable one, reboot, and reconfigure virtualization in BIOS. This step saves time and restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.